Welcome back, gadget enthusiasts. This is I Know Gadgets, your go-to channel for the latest in technological wonders. Today, we're diving into the world of Nikon cameras, unveiling the top 5 Nikon cameras of 2024. Find the links to these incredible devices in the description and the first comment. Let's explore the magic captured by these cutting-edge Nikon cameras. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Nikon D3100 DSLR camera. 14.2 megapixel DX format CMOS image sensor. Full 1080p HD cinematic video. Record cinematic quality movies with full-time autofocus and sound. Guide mode. Intuitive controls and onboard assistance for better pictures. 3-inch monitor. One-touch live view shooting and movie capture. Includes 1855mm zoom Nikkor VR image stabilization lens, ENEL14 battery, and MH24 battery charger. Dive deeper into the Nikon D3100 experience. Exclusive insights and detailed reviews are waiting for you in the description. Securing the fourth spot is the Nikon Z5. 24.3 MP full-frame sensor. Outstanding image quality with vibrant colors and great low-light performance. 4K/30p and 1080/60p video recording. Crisp, smooth videos with shallow depth of field. Eye detection autofocus. Locks onto the eyes of people, dogs, and cats for precise focus. 5-axis in-body image stabilization. Capture steady handheld videos and sharp photos. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Share photos and control the camera with a compatible smartphone or tablet. Immerse yourself in the Nikon Z5 experience. Exclusive insights and comprehensive reviews are available in the description. Taking the third spot is the Nikon D850 FX format digital DSLR camera body. BSI full-frame image sensor. 45.7 megapixels for extraordinary resolution. Up to 9x continuous shooting. Full AF performance at full resolution. 8K and 4K time-lapse movies. New levels of sharpness and detail. Tilting touchscreen. Focus shift shooting mode, outstanding battery performance, and more. 4K Ultra HD video recording, slow motion up to 120 FPS at 1080p. Explore the Nikon D850 experience. Exclusive insights and detailed reviews are available in the description. Securing the second position is the Nikon Z7i. 45.7 MP sensor, powerful AF performance with Nikon Z lenses. Dual card slots, CF Express/XQD and UHS via SD for flexibility and peace of mind. Vertical grip ready, compatible with a new vertical battery grip for more power. 4K UHD 60p video, smoother action and the ability to slow down footage in post. One mount accepts all, compatible with a growing line of Nikon Z lenses and approximately 360 f-mount Nikkor lenses with FTZ mount adapter. Immerse yourself in the Nikon Z7i experience. Exclusive insights and comprehensive reviews are available in the description. And now, claiming the top spot is the Nikon Z6i mirrorless camera body. 24.5 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. True multimedia power with dual EXP-EED6 processors. Impressive ISO range. ISO 151,200, expandable up to ISO 204,800 equivalent. 14 pps continuous shooting, quick performance for capturing action. Full pixel readout, full-featured 4K UHD video for videographers. Enhanced AV system, 273 on-sensor phase detect autofocus points for easy subject acquisition. Immerse yourself in the Nikon Z6i experience. Exclusive insights and detailed reviews are available in the description. There you have it, gadget aficionados. The top 5 Nikon cameras of 2024, each capturing moments with unparalleled clarity and brilliance. Links to these remarkable devices are in the description, so seize the opportunity to level up your photography game. Like, share, and subscribe to I Know Gadgets for more tech revelations. Until next time, may your shots be crisp, your compositions be stunning, and your photography journey be extraordinary.